Hi friends, today I'm going to cover Azure DataFactory in my quick 2 minutes video. So before getting into that, first understand that there are 4 phases of any big data architecture. Those are ingest, store, prep and train, model and serve. So any structured, semi-structured or unstructured data from your data sources, from your solution databases that need to be ingested into your main data store. So this ingestion is going to be your data factory when you're using the Azure. So let us see in a quick big data architecture. As I mentioned, there are 4 phases. Your all databases data, whether it is a structured, semi-structured or unstructured, will get into the ingest. So Azure Data Factory will help you to get the data from your databases or data sources and pass it on to your store. Here in this example, we have data lake storage. So if you have something else like Snowflake, that can be replaced here. So what is Azure Data Factory here? Azure Data Factory is nothing but your core free ETL as a service. It will help you to ingest all your data wherever it is. There are 100 plus native connectors which helps you to bring the data from your on-premises or cloud databases to wherever you are intending to. So it has very beautiful features, a very important feature here, because in every data strategy or data workflow, the data factory is going to play a very key role. At the same time, you have to look at the cost details as well and how the cost model works. If you're planning to load heavy chunks of data from your on-premises to the cloud, you don't need to really worry. There is a serverless and auto scale features which will automatically take care. It supports terabytes of data to transform from your on-premises or other databases to your cloud data store wherever it is required. Coming to the schedule, like even if you want to do a overnight schedules, like to move the data, sets of data to maybe Azure Databricks or ADX, then you can schedule it as well. And you can also filter the data, what it is required, what it is not required. No code is required to be written. Everything is part of the pipelines. And also you can monitor and see what data sets are failed to copy or export and what data is already transformed. So that means you can find the status of the records which are copied or which are not copied also, so that you can take the necessary action. And we have they have alerts and notifications feature as well. These are the few beautiful features. It's vast subject on the Azure Data Factory. You can spend some time. In the real-time architecture I mentioned here, like where the data factory is being used, you can see every on-premises data or the cloud database is using the data factory to transform the data into some destinated lake storage. Moving on, this particular one will help you to understand your complete Azure Data Factory in one picture. You can download this from the link given here. I will also mention that in the comments. Thanks for watching my video.